Yeah, I even missed coming to the office because that was a gradual routine that I had, but then there was a break in that routine. So it was a little bit of difficult because I missed my office and my colleague.
Ashwin here. I work for this company called Finacus Solutions Private Limited. I work as a business development head and marketing head at this organization. We are a company of close to 250 employees. So since we are in the banking domain, we had to be working 24/7 during the pandemic because we look at maintaining of the payment switches, maintaining of ATMs, etc. During the pandemic, because of growth in digital payments, our work also increased. Once the lockdown started opening up slowly, people started using digital payments more. Basically, once the lockdown was announced, so for the first 2 to 3 months of the lockdown, most of our employees worked from home. Once the lockdown started opening, we slowly started calling employees, first 10%, 20%, and now we are working at 80%. So basically, once the lockdown started opening up, we wanted to call our employees to the office. But obviously the employees, like the people across the world, had concerns of moving out of the house because of the pandemic. We wanted to find something which would give the employee confidence to come to the office and work from the office. So during my research online, that's when I found the Shycocan machines. And slowly, since after doing some R&D on the machines, then I contacted Shycocan and I asked them for more details. I sent the details to the management, after which I was given a go-ahead and I installed the machines. We have close to 27 machines with us in our 3 offices. We completed the installation within 2 days. So basically, since I was instructed to have electrical points and other things ready, the Shycocan people came in on the decided date and the installation was completed within 2 days. It was a very good experience. They explained to me how the machine works, so that gave me more confidence in the machine. We installed the machines in the month of December, that's December 2020. So obviously the employees who were coming at that point of time were curious about the machines. So that's when we explained to them how the machine works, etc. and what is the technology behind it. And slowly the word spread among the employees and the confidence of their coming to office increased, and after which lot more employees also started coming to the office. To be very honest about it, there have been no cases in the office after the installation of the device. So I would surely recommend the machine to many organizations like mine. In fact, I have already recommended it to a couple of organizations and they are in the process of purchasing the machine.
Well, it's very great that our organization has taken this initiative of installing this device. So yeah, I find myself safe when I enter this office.
Shycocan. Let's bring life back to normal and normal back to business. Visit shycocancorp.com today